Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Winter Rock Painting. Set up your workspace, and for inspiration, allow me to share some ideas of some winter type scenes that you can paint of your own. Maybe some penguins, a snowman, snowflakes. Totally up to you what you would like to design. Maybe you'll just make some different patterns. Again, it's up to you. Here's a couple of ideas of what my daughter has made. A lighthouse, and you know what? Why not think summer in the middle of winter? A suggestion to begin: decide what you would like your background of your rock to have. One rock I decided to paint kind of a blue background. The other rock I did a purple background. You then will need this to dry before you add any other details. Using the skinnier brush, once your paint background is dry, you can start to make your design. I decided I would attempt to make a snowflake. It's true, every snowflake is unique. Miss Wendy's certainly was very unique. I just started with kind of a crisscross design, maybe added a few dots and a little slits. Later, once it's completely dry, I can add further details. With the purplish background rock, I decided to make a mitten. When I first made my outline of what my mitten shape should be, it kind of looked like a heart. I filled it in and decided I would need to switch colors with my thin paintbrush, so I washed it carefully with some water and using a paper towel blotted it dry. I then was able to add a little bit of green to the bottom just for the trim of the mitten. After letting the rocks dry, you can add details with the black permanent marker. Even add a note on the back, maybe the year too. I decided to trace the mitten to give it a little bit more flair. And there you have it, my winter scene rocks. Note, the paint that we use is washable and it's tempera paint. If you want to have it be something that will be outside or will get wet, you'll need to ask a grown-up to get some clear shellac to spray over top. Otherwise, it'll be great for an indoor paperweight. Did you have fun today? Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube Manlius Library playlists.